Hey kids, here's lesson 7, level 7, choose your own adventures. We'll do screen time A. So the screen time data set, another data set here at Kaggle. How does daily yoga impact screen time habits? So I've got my times here, 28 of them. And the screen time class has an instance variable, which are the times that are in an array, and everything in that array is an integer. And the constructor of the screen time object takes that file and turns it into an array named social norms. And so what we want to do in this class is we want to do this method, calculate the average times using an enhanced for loop. So the average times, we're going to need a total, which this is returning an int, so we're going to use an int. And I'll set that equal to 0. And then I will go for, and these are all ints. So for int time in the social network times, what I want to do is I want to take the new total and make it equal to the old total plus whatever that time is. And then what I would like to return is I want to return the total divided by the length of the social network's time. So social network times dot length. And that should do the trick for that. Now number 2, I need to go to the data runner, and I need to instantiate a screen time object. So screen time, my time is a new screen time object, and it takes the times text file, and then we just want to print out that average time. So system.out.println is going to be my time dot calc average time. All right, let's see what happens. Let's run the test. Success. So let's go back to our choose your own adventures, and let's go to the populations. My guess is going to be pretty similar to screen time. So the most crowded countries in the world, sometimes I can't find those things. That happens. So our first to do is in the countries Java class, we want to calculate the average population. So let's take a gander at this. The countries, there are 2 attributes. There are the countries array and the population array. Countries array are strings, population array are ints. So there are the countries and there are the populations. Here is the constructor. So in this constructor, they are turning each file into its appropriate array. And we need to do the average population. So we're going to start with an int. Since it returns an int, that will be our total. And that's going to be equal to 0. And then for each int, in the population. So we'll go for int pop equals populations. We want to take our new total and set it equal to what our current total is, plus the population. And then I want to return the total divided by the length of the populations array. And then in the data runner, I want to instantiate a new object. So I'm going to go, I messed that up. Countries, myc equals new countries. And I want to instantiate it with the names.txt and the populations.txt. And then I want to print out the average population. So I'm going to go myc.calc average population. See if it worked. Probably messed up. Oh, that's an easy fix. And it's populations, and what did I do? Populations. Let's try this again. Third time is a charm. I spelled countries wrong. Fourth time is a charm. Let's run the test, see if it works. All right. So there are A and B for the Choose Your Own Adventures at this level.